Hi everybody, my name is Salimah, yoga therapist. I'm so pleased that you arrived on this landing page. That says a lot about you and a lot about what you want for the rest of your life. When I started meditating about 10 years ago now, I started with 1 minute. And that 1 minute in front of my fridge and my microwave 10 years ago really changed the course and the direction of my life. What you're looking at behind me is YogaVision Center. It's my yoga studio. And 10 years ago, I never would have had any idea that this is where I would be now. So meditation didn't just change my life, it changed me. It changed fundamentally how I showed up for things, how I could focus and contribute, and also how I could regulate my own body, mind, and spirit to meet the circumstances of the moment. I'm not saying life is perfect if you meditate. I'm saying that you have more tools in your toolbox to deal with regular common stress, traffic, driving, colleagues, work things, family things. And then when times are also simple, you can appreciate them more. So that's all that comes with being a meditative type of person. Here's what you get on this 40-day journey, this 5-minute meditation challenge. You get a different meditation every week because there are many types of meditations. And when you explore and experiment, you'll find the one that best suits you, where you are in your life, and the technique that works best for you. You'll get a new one every week, and for 6 weeks, you have a practice guide. That's me. And so you'll hear my voice, and together we'll spend those 5 minutes to get together each day to really develop these skills, because it is a skill. I want you to keep one thing in mind. Your mind will wander. It will. And that's totally fine. The idea is to come back and just keep sitting down every day and notice what's going to happen at the end of our time together. You'll be able to sit for longer, and you'll sit with a little bit more clarity. I think you're going to have an awesome time. The link below is where you click to purchase, and I'll see you on the B side once you get through the registration. I look forward to this journey with you. Take care.